In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a product slider on Elementor on WordPress or WooCommerce. So as you guys can see right there, this is the product slider that I've just created. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a product slider like this in just about 5 up to 10 minutes. So if you're interested in creating a product slider like this, where people can view the products, click on them, add them to your cart, and all of that good stuff, then keep watching this video because I'll show you step by step how you can do that. Alright, let's get started. So in order to create a product slider like this, we need some plugins on WordPress. So you want to go to WordPress, you want to make sure to of course have Elementor installed, and then you want to go to plugins and then click add new. And then right now we're going to add a plugin that we're going to use to create our product slider. So that product is called, let's see, Elementor, like that. So type in Elementor over here and you'll then be able to find this one right here, Elementor WooCommerce Elementor add-ons plus builder. You want to click install now. So make sure to add this to your WordPress. So it's installing, and this is completely free, by the way. You don't have to have any paid plans for this. So all of this right here is free. So once you've got this installed, you want to activate it, of course, so that you can use it. So that's the next step. Click on activate. This might take a few seconds, so bear with me, and there we go. So you can see that with Elementor free, you've got all of this stuff. With the pro version, you get all of this. But like I said, the free plan, it does the job, like it works, all right? So right now that we've got all of this installed, we can go to the website. And by the way, if you guys are wondering how I made a website like this, I also made a video about that, about some cool themes that you can use. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Anyway, let's go to pages and let's go to our home page. Let's see, should be this one. So what I'm going to do is click edit with Elementor, because we're gonna create this product slider with Elementor. So you want to do that as well. Now this should go into the backend of your website where we can create all of this stuff right here. All right, so if I go back to my website, there we go. If I then scroll down, you'll already see the slider. So I'm just gonna delete this real quick and show you how you can set it up. All right, so let's say that you don't have that slider yet. What you want to do, and by the way, let me just close this as well. What you want to do is open the widgets right here. Now you can do this manually by simply scrolling down, then go to WooCommerce, for example, and then find it wherever it's located. Oh, it's right here, Elementor add-ons. So pretty much do that, or you can simply type in, which is easier, WL, and then you can find this one, WL Universal Product Layout. This is the one that we need to create a product slider. So what you need to do is select it and then drag it on here where you want to place it. And there we go. So you can now see that we've got the products that show up, but we cannot click right here. There's no arrow, so it's not a slide menu yet. And that's because we haven't done the right settings yet. But right now I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for that, you want to go into content, and then right there you'll find layout settings. Click on that. Then right there you'll find layout. Then you want to click on slider. And there we go. But then still there's no arrow, right? So it's still not a product slider. Now the reason why that is because we've set the products on free. So if you go over here, go to query settings, right there you'll see the product limit is free. If you put this like 10 or just up it, you'll see that the arrow is now appearing and people can now slide through the products. Now I selected 13, just select how many you want. And then what you can also do, guys, is customize all of it. So you can see right now it's just a random product slider, but we can also customize it, and I'll show you how. So right there you can click on filter by, and you can see recent products, featured products, best selling products, sale products, top rated. So you can choose any of these. For example, if I want to go with the best selling products, you then click on that and they'll then show the best selling products on here in order as well. So that's great if you want to show your best selling products, and I'll leave it up to you guys which kind of product you want to show, but that's how you can do that. So right now we've got the layout set up, we've got the amount of products, we've got a category that we can choose. For example, if I only want a juice product slider, I then select juice, and then I only have these products. Or maybe you only want groceries, you then select that, and then it will also do that. As you can see right here, it's actually working. Now you can go over all of these other settings, so you can choose styles, style 2, style 3. It really depends on what you're trying to do. I mean, to be honest, like all of this fits in with my website, which is great. So all of this is not necessary for me, but you can pretty much customize all of this. So you can have an action button, and you can also customize these styles on that. But I'll leave that up to you guys, whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much how you can do it. You can customize everything on here. You have some countdowns, which you can then show as well. There we go. And you've got a slider option. So slider items free, you can add 4 in here, which will then look like this. You can add 5, and there we go. So I just recommend going with free, since that looks pretty good, and then people can actually slide through a lot of them. So that's what I would do. You can also add slider dots if you want, which you can then add right here. That's actually pretty cool. So I'll leave that in there. You can also do autoplay, so they'll just automatically start sliding. But that's pretty much how you can do this. So let's update this. There we go. And then we should be live. All right, so if we're gonna check out this page right now, it should be live. So let me just go back into WordPress. Then we're gonna view the website, and I'm gonna show you the final result. And you can then do the exact same thing. So if we go over to the page, let's click view. Here we are on the website. So this looks pretty cool. Like I said, if you want to find out how you can get these free themes, I'll leave a link in the description down below to a video where I show you how you can do that. But if we scroll down, we can see that this is now our product slider. So we can click right here, and there we go. So we've got these dots that show up. You can also click on those. We've got our best-selling products that show up right now. People click on add to cart right there, and there we go. So you can actually add them to your cart as well. And this is the product slider that you've just created for free with Elementor and with Elementor. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If this simple video helps you out, please consider leaving a like on this video. I'm not selling you guys anything, so a like would help me out. If you have any questions about how you can do this, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to answer, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.